Okay. Hey, gorgeous ones. All right. So, this is something I'm starting this month, and I just wanted, I don't know, I'm kind of excited. So let me tell you, I know that I should have put on my makeup and everything, but in my excitement to finally get this done, I said, I do not have to, I am not confined and constricted by the YouTube beauty rules. I will do things the way I choose to. So with that being said, hey, like I always come on here with makeup on. Shut up, Louise. Shut up, Lulu. I know you're saying, Lulu, really? We've seen you without makeup many a time, and you are absolutely right. How am I looking today? I'm looking a little crazy right now. What's going on? Oh my goodness, do I see a wrinkle? I'm sorry, I'm back. Okay, so here's what's happening. I am doing a new monthly giveaway. I racked my brains about it, and I was trying to figure out, how do I give back to you all as my subscribers, because I do have really good subscribers, and I know everybody says that, but I really do have really great subscribers. You all are like a family, and I appreciate you all. So I think it's important to give back and do things like this. Now, of course, with me doing it, there'll be people who will subscribe just for this, but so what? I will be implementing a few things that will take care of that for other ways to give away things. But anyway, I was looking, I said, so how do I do this? How do I do a monthly giveaway? And it won't, break my budget, but it will be something that'll be good. And so I came up with it. I said, why not give away a BoxyCharm every month? Okay, so if you would like to see what I'm planning, how this BoxyCharm giveaway is going to work, don't go anywhere. All right, so let's talk about this giveaway. Now, first off, by the time you watch this, this is all set up. It's a video out here. You can look in the description box for the link to get in the giveaway. That's number one. This is what I'm doing. So I decided to do this monthly giveaway, and I wanted to make it where it was kind of interesting, and how could I make it work? And so I decided, let me just go ahead and do a BoxyCharm giveaway. So what I have done is, I have my own box now. So I got my own subscription back, and then I got another subscription, and that box will be sent out. So here are the rules for this. This will be up for like 7 days. 7 days from here that you will be able to enter, and I will open it internationally, because I know a lot of people, of course, overseas, I don't think you can get BoxyCharm. So wouldn't it be awesome if somebody overseas could try a BoxyCharm and, have fun here and there? That would be awesome. I know it'll cost me a little more, but oh well. So what's going to happen is, in this video and every month, I will show you my box. And then at first I was just going to leave this box closed, but then I said no, because people might want to see what's in the box, because I know like BoxyCharm boxes can, change up. And so to see what's in the box, because maybe you don't want to be in this giveaway. So I'm going to show what's in the box, pull it out, let everybody see. So I'll show my box first. I've had it for a while. And then, because I have these in 2 different addresses. So this goes to my post office box, and then mine goes to my residence. So I received my box a while ago, and then I was waiting for this box to do this video. And what I will say is that the following month, I will say who won the month before. That way you can always know who won the month before. Because I was like, okay, I'm not going to do a whole video about this. But I thought about it. I said, okay, how about, since I'm doing this monthly, I'll do that. I'll announce, oh, last month's winner was this person. Okay, so I just rambled on and on. Let's get to the BoxyCharms. Okay, so here's my box. So let me show y'all what's in my box first. So my box has, let me see what we got. All right, so my box has the Cover FX glitter drops in Nova, and I guess they're kind of, in. So the thing with BoxyCharm for me is, and part of the reason why I got rid of it was because a lot of things I really wasn't using, and you know, you start accumulating things. So now what I'm going to do with it is in my box, if I don't, things that I don't want for myself, I'm going to put it in my giveaway, my big giveaway box, because I'm still working on like a 10,000 subscriber giveaway whenever that happens, which is at the rate it's going, it'll be sometime in September of next year. Just being honest. So I will, you know, do that. So this is the Cover FX glitter drop. So if I don't think I'm going to use it myself, I will not open it. I'll just put it in there. And like this right here, I first asked B too. So B always gets first dibs, and then I'll throw it in the box. No, no, this is not me. This is so not me. No, I'm not keeping that. It's gonna, no. Now this I'm keeping. This is Lashaholics Luxury Lashes. And these are the lashes right here. And y'all know I'm keeping lashes because y'all know I love lashes. And these are really cute. These are very kind of spiky. I'm not a big fan of spiky ones, but I'll try them. I will try them. Those are mine. And then I got the Luxie Premium handcrafted brushes. These are eye brushes. Now, I've been going back and forth because I haven't opened them up. But I know the last time I saw some Luxie brushes, and one of them, I wasn't impressed with them. And I know people love them, but I honestly think that they kind of give them subpar ones. Because I know the crown brushes that they gave the crown brushes that I got in a BoxyCharm were totally different from the crown brushes I bought at the makeup show. And I like those brushes so much better. I don't know. Let me see. They're pretty though. Oh, and y'all know I love brushes, so I think I'm going to keep them. But these are super, super small. I mean, really? I mean, the head's on them. Okay, I'll play with them. I'll see what they do. Okay, I'm keeping them. Quit lying, Louise. You're going to keep the brushes. Okay, you're going to keep the brushes. And then there's this Janta Blue Glittering Star Liner in black. How many black eyeliners can you get? And Janta Blue, I have never heard of them except in subscription boxes. I got a whole lot of Janta Blue. I get these pencils because they must get these. They really think that people going to buy Janta Blue. Ain't nobody coming for you. So you can stop giving these eyeliner brushes and these. And anyway, you always do black. If you're going to try to get people's attention, could you do something besides black? Okay, so that goes into the giveaways because I ain't got time for that, and I got enough black eyeliner in my life. And then, of course, what everybody was looking for is the Ace Beauty Grandiose palette, right? Now, let me say, it is gorgeous. It is gorgeous. And then I opened it up and looked at it, and this is like, you know, Jasmine Primrose and all of these, right? Well, so for me, let me just be honest. Tara gave me the quintessential. Hold on, let me get it. All right, so I have the quintessential palette right here, and this is the Grandiose palette, right? So I'm looking at it, and I was looking at the names, and those are pretty, even though they're not the same, they're kind of the same. So let me show y'all. Let me show y'all what I'm talking about. So do I really need it? That's what I'm saying. Do I really need it? Do I really need it? Do I really need it? Okay, so let's show y'all. Matter of fact, a lot of these are the same ones. The only one different is Poppy. Clove is in here. Jasmine is in here. So the only ones that are different in here. So if you see this right here, this is, let me get y'all some, because it's a little, you all can't see everything. So you can see right here, this is the Grandiose palette. And then this is my quintessential palette. So as you can see, a lot of the colors are in here. The only ones that are different are Poppy, which is similar to Rosewood, and the Primrose, because I have Patchouli, yeah, the Primrose, and that's a gold, and I got this bergamot in here. So in other words, I don't need this palette. So I'm being real about that. I don't need this. I know a lot of people wanted it, but I already have, you know, I have that palette, so I don't need it. So, ooh, gonna put this away. So this is definitely a giveaway. And I already checked with B. She said she didn't want it because she has enough of those colors. So that is a giveaway. That's going in my other giveaway thing. So, okay. So now let's look at the box that I'm giving away. I can toss it out. Drum roll. Ooh, here is this box. Let's open it. Let's see what's in it. I love the economy of scale with BoxyCharm. I love how it's just this little bitty box. That's all it is. So let's see if there's anything different, because this box, okay, so here's the deal. I restarted my subscription with my box last month. And then I started this subscription this month. So this just got to me. Mine was already here for over a week, and I just got this one. So let's see if there's anything different, or is it going to be the same? And I mean, hey, it's a great box either way. Okay, so let's see what's going on. Let's see what's going on. Okay, so you get the Lashaholic right here. You do get the lashes. Let's see. Same, you know, same ones. Instaglam, I think they're called. So they're the Instaglam ones. You get your Luxie brushes. There's the Cover FX glitter drops in Nova, and the eyeliner. I'm going to assume it's a glittering. It says it's a glittering eyeliner, but glittering eyeliners never work in pencil. I mean, let's just be honest. And the Ace Beauty. So basically, this is the same thing I got. So awesome. So that's it for the BoxyCharm unboxing and giveaway for the very first one. Let me know what you think about it. Are you excited? Make sure that you go ahead and, you know, enter into the giveaway. It is open internationally. It will be open for about a week, and then I will draw, and I will be sending this box out to the lucky winner. Make sure you enter, because I really want to make sure that I take care of my people. So thank you for subscribing. I hope you enjoy this. Once again, if you like it, give it a thumbs up. Leave any comments in the description box. Well, leave a comments, duh. And don't forget to subscribe on your way out, because that's the polite thing to do. All right, it's your Lulu. It's Saturday. Be bold, be brave, be fearless, be free, and have a great weekend. My head is off. I always hate it when it does that, when you like on it. Okay, there we go. So my head, because I hate when my head is cut off. Okay, I'm not cut off anymore. The things that happen before I start filming. Before I start filming. Yes, 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 yes.